So I'm just finishing up on a day of FFA contests, and wanted to show you a little project that I've been working on over the last couple of days. I kind of just finished it up. I mean, I could put a finish on it or something, but I think I'm going to leave it just the way it is. Saw this on the channel Welding Tips and Tricks. Actually, I didn't see this. I went to his online store that he uses to fund his channel and some other thing. I'm assuming that's just how he makes his money. But anyway, I saw this cool thing and thought, wow, I want one of those. And I thought, well, I can build one of those. He sells them as a plastic molded piece or this kit that comes in with 5 parts, and you weld them up and then you can use it. But anyway, it's kind of a cool thing. Obviously, you can buy it from him and then put it together, or buy the plastic one and make it work. But it's this little tank hanger, which I thought was really cool. And I didn't have any design specs or anything, or measurements or anything like that. I just went and measured one of the tank caps to figure out how big to make the circle, and then kind of guessed on the hooks. It's not perfect. I think the angle of the hooks need to be cocked out a little bit so that it's resting on the tank a little differently, but it actually worked out. It might still be a little warm for me just to carry away. Oh boy, a little warm out here on the end. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it with the pliers, but I'll show you how it works. It's really pretty cool. Kind of looks like a horseshoe when I look at it this way, but it's not. Cut it out of, let's do it on this tank. Cut it on our plasma can, and that worked out really well. But you can see I've got the pliers, and that's kind of difficult all in itself, but just there. Super cool. I just thought it was kind of handy, but you can kind of see how it works. You hang whatever you want on it. Your crescent wrench, so you can undo your valves when you're changing tanks, or hang your hood on it, hang your jacket on it, something. I thought it was really cool. I really don't want to have it in my shop here at school, but I kind of want it at home. So I built one so I could see how it would work. I also built it so that I could show kids that every cool little thing you find, you don't necessarily have to spend a whole lot of money on to buy it. You can build the thing if you know how to run some equipment and do some welding. So anyway, kind of a fun little project, and it works first time round. So anyway, and you can take it on and off while the regulator is still attached. So cool. Anyway, one day at a time.